Okay, welcome back children. The previous class we discussed about the flower, the types, the structure. Now we are here today to discuss about the further process, that is pollination and fertilization. How the process of pollination and fertilization takes place in flower plants. As in previous class we discussed about that. Wait, sorry for a moment. See, we know that see here, in the first diagram indicates, it denotes the male part of the flower, androecium or stem. See, the androecium, the male part of the flower, is composed of how many things? Two things. Anther and filament. This part is called anther, which is on the top, and this line we call it as filament. The bottom. So, and male part, androecium, is composed of how many things? Anther and filament. This anther and filament collectively it is called stem. What it is called? Stem. Similarly, the female part, the gynoecium, is composed of three things: stigma, style, and ovary. The gynoecium, female part, is composed of three things: stigma, style, and ovary. So here anther and filament in the male part, androecium, collectively we are calling as stamen. In female part, gynoecium, stigma, style, ovary, collectively they are called pistil, or it can be called as carpel. Pistil or carpel. So here we can call this as male part of the flower or stem or androecium. In this way, the male part of the flower can be called as stamen or it can be called as androecium. So female part of a flower, female part, it can be called as pistil or carpel, or it can be called as gynoecium. So here the androecium is composed of anther and filament, which is the male part of the flower. Here the gynoecium is composed of stigma, style, ovary, collectively we call that pistil or carpel, and which is the female part of the flower. Now see here, we are saying that androecium, the male part present in the flower, which is composed of two things, anther and filament. The anther has two lobes. The anther has two lobes. Both the lobes of this anther contains a diploid cells, which these diploid cells present in the lobes of the anther, we call them pollen mother cells. Which cells are these? The lobes of anther consist two lobes. This is the one lobe and this is down below the other lobe. Both the lobes of anther are filled with which cells? Pollen mother cells. Similarly, here the ovary has a wall. This is called a wall of the ovary. This wall of the ovary has cells. These cells are called megaspore mother cells. What are the cells present in the wall of ovary? Megaspore mother cells. diploid. Diploid means the cell which consists two set of chromosomes. Diploid. The term diploid is indicated, denoted by using a letter 2n. This is 2 and this is small I. 2n is diploid condition, and the letter only small I indicates haploid condition. Got it? So n plus n becomes 2n. It's a diploid. So what I am saying here, which cells are present in the anther lobes? Polar mother cells. So what is the nature of these polar mother cells present in the lobes of anther? They are in which nature? What kind of cells they are? Diploid cells. Similarly, the wall of ovary also are megaspore mother cells. All the megaspore mother cells present in the wall of ovary, they are also in diploid condition. So these cells which are present in the lobes of anther, polar mother cells, they undergo mitotic division and the diploid turns into haploid. Reduction in meiosis. Meiosis is the division takes place among these polar mother cells present in the lobes of anther, and they turns diploid to haploid polar brain. Now the newly formed cells from the polar mother cells which were diploid, they undergone reductional division, meiosis, and the diploid polar mother cells turns as polar grains which are haploid in nature. So how the polar grains are formed? They are formed from polar mother cells. Where the polar mother cells were? They were in the lobes of anther. How they are formed? Because polar mother cells which are in diploid nature present in the lobes of anther, they undergone reductional division, mitosis, meiosis divisions, and diploid become haploid. Similarly, the wall of ovary has been here megaspore mother cells. These diploid cells present in the wall of ovary, megaspore mother cells, they too undergo meiosis, reductional division, and they produce, they change as ovules. Ovules. They all ovules will be haploid. Here, polar mother cells which are diploid in nature, they are undergoing reductional division, meiosis, and diploid cells are turning into the new cells called polar grains, haploid. Here, the megaspore mother cells present in the wall of ovary, they are also diploid. They too undergo reductional division, meiosis, and diploid polar megaspore mother cells turns into haploid ovules. So this is a male gamete for the male gamete of the flower, polar grain, and the ovules present in the ovary are female gametes. Now come to the next, pollination. In this way, the formation of male gamete and the formation of female gamete takes place. During pollination, the definition you know, the transfer of polar grain from anther to stigma. Where the polar grains will be? This is anther. They are produced in the anther, they are present over the anther. During this process, what happens? The polar grains transfers. The polar grains which are present here on the anther, they transmit from anther to stigma. The transfer of polar grain from anther to stigma, we term it as pollination. Is it? During pollination, what is happening? Polar grains present in the anther are transmitted to the stigma. When the and pollination is of, generally in pollination this happens, the transfer of polar grain from anther to stigma. But pollination is of two types, self and cross. Pollination which occurs takes place within a same flower or same plant, then it is self. And the cross pollination which takes place, exchange of polar grain from anther to stigma, from one flower to other flower, that is cross pollination. There are different pollinating agents are also responsible, such as insects act as pollinating agents, water act as a pollinating agent, some air also act as pollinating agent, air, water and animals. If there is pollination taking place with water, then it is called hydrophily. If the pollination occurs with the help of wind, it is anemophily. If the pollination takes place by insect, then it is entomophily. Likewise, entomophily, anemophily and hydrophily. These are the types of pollinations based on the agent which is responsible to perform the pollination process. Because we are saying that pollination is exchange of pollen grain occurs from from anther to stigma. Then who else is responsible for the exchange transfer of the pollen grain from anther to stigma? Different agents such as water, air, and animals like honeybees and different insects like butterflies and all. They visit the flowering plant. So during their visit, they come across one flower. At that moment, the pollen grains present on the anther may get stick to their legs, and the same insect or honeybee or butterfly visit the other flower. There are chances of dropping of those pollen grains which are stick to their legs on the stigma of another flower. In that way, cross pollination. So during pollination, what is happening here? The pollen grains are transmitting from anther to stigma. So for this process, we are calling pollination. Is it? During pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma takes place. When the pollen grains comes in contact with the stigma, there is a viscous substance, sticky substance across this side tube, and there is a formation of tube. The tube we call as pollen tube. What we call pollen tube. How the pollen tube forms? Due to the viscous substance released by the pollen grain. When they are transmitted from anther, they come to the contact with stigma. They release a sticky fluid. The release of sticky fluid by this pollen grain, there is a formation of tube across the style, and that tube we call as pollen tube. Once the tube is formed, these pollen grain which are on the stigma, they starts entering into this tube, and they come down towards the ovary. In ovary, what is the ovules, female gamete. So what are the pollen grain? Male gamete. So the pollen grain enters through the pollen tube into the ovary, and there the fusion between pollen grain with the ovules present in the ovary takes place. So the pollen grains are in which condition? Haploid. The ovules in the ovary are in which condition? Haploid. So N plus N, haploid plus haploid, diffuses, and what happens? Zygote forms. So the fusion between male gamete and female gamete we call as fertilization, fusion. As a result of fertilization, what happens? All the ovules present in this ovary, they turns into seeds, and this ovary itself turns into fruit. This happens during this fertilization, and we finally get a fruit. All the ovules, they turns into seed, and this ovary itself turns into fruit. The majority of angiosperm flowering plant, they undergo sexual reproduction, they produce a new one by this method. So further part of this will be continued in next class. Today's class will stop. Thank you.